Hello everybody, in this video I will show you how to work with family 68H.0. We will put together some set made of the components inside this family. We will assemble this set and this family. I already put my family into the families and the projects, so you will find it in the categories plumbing fixtures. For example, I will take this type with diameter 75. I will load it in the project. There are those families in the project with the underscore character. I can show you it in the schedules. I already prepared one called pipe accessory, and as you can see, it's empty now. At the end of this video we will have a look at this schedule and we will check the changes. For now we want to edit this family, so we will open it in the family editor. For the beginning, I will save it with another name. We already made few assemblies, so I will put the working name set3 and I will save it. I will assemble this family in the elevations in the construction view. I will open those windows for you so you can see all the changes in 3D. For the beginning, I will set the axis. It means I will set the installation height. I will put it here, installation height 1 I will put 100 and number 2 will be 200. Now I will continue with putting the elements in this area. Now I have prepared all the subcomponents in my working area and I can start to assemble them together. I will start from the bottom, from the lip seal. I will align parts of the lip seal at the place where I want it. I will use the borders, the edges of the components. I will lock it at a place with using annotations. In this case, when the component is rounded and I want to move it in the exact middle of the other element, I will move this element. I will find a middle like this. You will see X with the square at the end. So I will just take it and find the middle of the element like this, and this symbol, triangle, shows you where the middle is. So you just put it there. Then you need to lock the element at the X, which is installation height 2. Now when the assemble is prepared, we need to set installation high of this extension. So you do it here in dimensions, in installation high. So you just connect it to the parameter that we already set up. And we can load this assemble into the project. Now the family is loaded in the project. It appears here. So you can see there are also all those three types, 50, 75 and 110. Let's have a look what happened in the schedules. Now it's empty as it was before, and I will show you what happens when I load it into this level 1. You can see all the pipe accessories that we just used here in the schedule. Let's have a look in 3D. And let's try how our family works. I will try to change installation high for 150. It works. Let's try 100. I showed you how to assemble components contained in this family. This is one of the sets that you can use. Another possibility is how to assemble subcomponents from the family 68H.0 are in another videos. If you have any questions, don't be afraid to contact us. Thank you for watching.